Hi, Nick from Krietz Auto here. Today, we're going to be talking about the different trim levels on F-150s. Behind me, we have the F-150 Platinum. Let's get started. The Ford F-150 Platinum comes standard with a 5-liter V8 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It has the 20-inch polished aluminum wheels to come with it. It comes with a quad beam LED headlights and automatic high beams. On the exterior, we have a blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert. It comes with a Sony HD radio with 10 speakers and subwoofer. It'll have the rear heated seats along with a leather trimmed center console and shift knob. The heated steering wheel will be complemented by the heated and cooled front seats. The F-150 Platinum comes standard with leather seats, and this truck comes equipped with a remote start. Available options for this truck are the 3.5-liter Ecoboost engine, a twin-panel moonroof, as well as the technology package, which has a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control with collision warning and brake assist, as well as a grab bar for the tailgate and tailgate lift assist. If you're looking for a premium truck, the Ford F-150 Platinum is for you. That wraps it up for the Ford F-150 Platinum. Head over to KrietzAuto.com and check out all the trucks we have in stock.